Chapter 14, Beyond the Three Attributes, elucidates the three fundamental qualities of nature, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Lord Krishna guides Arjuna to transcend these attributes, attaining a state of pure consciousness and unity with the divine. As we contemplate this sacred chapter, may our hearts be filled with spiritual insight, devotion and unity. Beyond the three attributes. In Prakriti's womb, three attributes enshrine: Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, a trinity divine. From these, the world's creation unfolds, a kaleidoscope rich with stories untold. Sattva's purity illuminates the mind. Rajas' passion fuels the heart's design. Tamas' darkness veils the inner sight, a triple dance through day and night. Sattva's calm brings wisdom's gentle breeze. Rajas' stir ignites the flames of seas. Tamas' inertia weighs the soul down, a delicate balance in nature's crown. The wise one, with discerning eye, transcends the attributes, reaching the sky. Unattached, untainted, free from strife, in pure consciousness, eternal life. Beyond these attributes, I reside, the imperishable, divine inside, the self, unbound in infinite space, a droplet merging in the cosmic ocean's space. Those who seek the attributes' transcendence find refuge in my divine essence. Through devotion and selfless deed, they rise above the attributes' creed. The attributes' sway no longer holds, as one attains the highest folds. In unity with me they abide, the ultimate truth where love resides. Thus Arjuna, with heart now clear, understand the attributes and banish fear. My divine love, find your repose and transcend the attributes' triple woes.